Today, we're taking a closer look at the TurboSmart Compact EM dual port blow-off valve for the 2022 and newer Tundras. If you're looking for a performance-oriented plug-and-play upgrade to replace that factory diverter, this compact billet unit delivers an excellent blend of functionality, reliability with bolt-on ease. The standout feature of this blowout valve is going to be its boost balance valve technology, engineered to seal tighter the more boost the engine develops, reducing pressure leaks and improving turbo spool characteristics. A high temperature solenoid and the internal pressure control channels offer factory level system control without compromise. It's a true plug and play design. That means you simply unbolt the OEM diverter, swap in this valve, and you're ready to roll. No adapters, no hoses, or no extra wiring is going to be needed. Crafted entirely from billet aluminum with high temp O-rings, this compact EM is a precise, durable replacement designed for long time life where the OEM cheap plastic diverter is going to fail. This valve stands apart thanks to its precision CNC machined billet aluminum body and the robust internal construction. This replaces that plastic OEM unit that's prone to wear with a high strength, thermally stable alternative that fits snugly into the factory mounting points without the need for any additional components. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that $600 price range. That's going to place it towards the premium end of the category, but considering the plug-and-play design, billet aluminum construction, and improved performance and reliability, it represents a solid value over repeatedly replacing stock components or managing boost leaks. The installation is going to be rated 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have these installed in just 30 minutes of your time. This is a true plug and play swap. Just unplug your factory diverter valve, unbolt it, install the TurboSmart unit, plug it in, and you're good to go. Alright, well that's going to wrap up my review of the TurboSmart Compact EM dual port blow-off valve for the 2022 and newer Tundras. And for all things Tundra, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.